Alright, getting ready for a ride on the big dog. Getting ready for a night ride on the big dog. Yes, gotta get ready. Gotta get ready for a night ride on the big dog. Yes, I'm getting ready for a night ride on the big dog. What we gonna do? What we gonna do? Night ride on the big dog. Yes. Let's do this night ride on the big dog. Night ride on the big dog. Getting ready. Night ride on the big dog. Night ride on the big dog. Getting ready. Getting ready to hook it up. Alright, y'all. Gotta do this. Ride on the big dog. Night ride. Night ride. On the big dog.
Falling like a crazy man. Every city I go to.
Alright, let's hit it. Let's hit it. Let's hit it. Let's hit it. Night ride on the big dog. Night ride on the big dog. Night ride on the big dog. Let's do it. Let's do a little quick night ride. See what we can. What kind of fun can we have? Alright, power it up. We're ready. We're ready. Alright. First, let's hit the speed. We're ready. We're ready.
This is control tower to RL swing. You're cleared for takeoff on runway 3 left.
Let's go.
Throttle it up. Get ready to rock it out. The weather is beautiful for a clear night of e-bike riding. So hit it and have fun with it.
Here's a car coming down the road. Hey, kiddo! Oh, that's Donnie. Alright, alright. See what I can see. Damn. I ain't even gonna turn the flash on, man. Cause I ain't turning it on right now.
Alright, you clear for takeoff. Hit it, rotate, D1, he's on a D1, rotate,
Woo! That's
get
nice.
there,
Nice riding on the big dog. Nice
hit it,
riding.
dog, hit that.
Nice riding. Nice riding on the big dog. Nice riding on the big dog. Where we going? 23, 22. Night riding on the big dog. Slow it down. Slow it down. Cause I'm trying to hold the camera and ride it. Slow it down. Slow it down. Night riding on the big dog. Night riding. Alright, hit this curve, hit this curve, hit this curve, hit this curve. Get some, get some, get some. Yeah, yeah. Get some, get some. Night riding on the big dog. Where we going? Where we going? 28. 29, 30, 30, 30. Slow it down, slow it. Slow it down, dog. Slow it down. Slow it down, slow it down. The moon is out. Slow it down, slow it down, slow it down, dog, slow it down. Alright, slow it down. Slow it down. Woo! Woo! Night riding. Night riding. Right. Night riding. Here's a car. Slow it down, slow it down. That's Kenner. Now that's Kenner. I can't take these dogs on tonight because I got the camera in my hand and then trying to turn the throttle. I can't do it. I can't mess with them. I can't mess with them. Alright. We're just taking a quick ride tonight. taking a quick ride. Just see how this night ride thing looking gon' feel. It's cool. Nothing too serious. Cool. Okay. I'm pedaling. Normal pedaling. Alright. Now hit the throttle. Hit the throttle. Alright. Hit the throttle. Here we go. Here we go. Big dog. Big dog. Right, we cruising back. That mailbox. Mailbox. Somebody done shot that mailbox down. Uh-oh. Got some more traffic. Got a lot of traffic tonight. A lot of traffic. Oh. That probably Danny. Back up again. Got a lot of traffic tonight. The big dog, we far corner. 24. 25. Alright, woo! Alright. Let me just do some pedal assist. I'm gonna slow down and do only pedal assist. See what's happening. Watch this. Watch this. Okay, I'm gonna go all the way down. Real low. 19. Now I'm gonna start pedaling. Oh shit. Oh shit. Pedal assist kicking in. Pedal assist. Nothing but pedal assist. Slow it down, dog. Slow it down. Slow the big dog down in this curve. Nothing but pedal assist. Pedal assist is too strong. Don't even hit the throttle. Just pedal assist. Alright. Pedal assist on this straight. Pedal assist. Pedal assist. Pedal assist. Ooh, pedal assist. Ooh, pedal assist. Slow it down. Slow it down. She about to get away from it. Woo! Woo! Big dog. The big dog. Nothing but the pedal assist. Nothing but the pedal assist. The big dog. The big dog. Nothing but the pedal assist. Crazy, man. Superpower. We turn on some bright lights. See, I can turn on some bright light. Alright. Uh-oh, here's another car. There's another car. We got some traffic. Yo! Alright. The big dog. Boy, got a traffic-filled night. This video just a little night ride. I'm gonna go down to the river on another ride, but not tonight. Of course, going down to the river at the boat ramp during the day. Woo! Woo! I gotta get on this. Woo! And that's a good little ride. That's a good little night ride. Oh, they want me. Them dogs like, let's get him. Oh, y'all ain't getting none. Oh, I can do pedal assist and hold the throttle and hold the camera. I can do just pedal assist. Yeah, I can do just pedal assist. Woo. Just pedal assist. Pedal assist gets too jerky. She like she wants to get away from me. The big dog. We're gonna go for one more little scenic ride. The big dog, we're coming up 30 miles per hour. And you're doing 25. Not over the speed limit. Alright. Trying to hold the camera, film some stuff. Gotta making sure Alright, alright. Oh, a bug hit me in the chest. Bug hit me in the chest. Boom! Felt like a BB. Felt like a BB. Alright. Alright, we're going back in the curve again. Slow it down, slow it down. Slow it down, boy. If a deer pop out in front of you. Woo! If a deer pop out in front of you, a big buck with some big antlers, and you can't stop, boy, y'all will be all over that concrete. Y'all over that blacktop. Woo! Get some, 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 get some. What we doing? 32. Get some, get some, get some, get some. The big dog, hit that curve, dog. Hit that curve, dog. Get some, get some, get some, get some. Oh yeah, yeah. Get some, get some. 33, 36. The big dog, night ride. Night riding on the big dog. Night riding on the big dog. Okay, let's look at this mailbox up here. Somebody done shot the mailbox. Shot a hole in the mailbox. Somebody shot the mailbox. Look at that. Somebody shot the mailbox down. Yeah, somebody shot the mailbox down. 2 holes in the top of it. Like, man, who would do that? Don't they know that is USA postal mailbox property? That's against the law to do that. Whoever did that sucks. Don't do that to a mailbox ever again. Alright, this is it. We're headed back. That was a cool little night ride. So we're going back now. Hitting it. That was fun. I enjoyed that, getting some night footage for the big dog ride. Yes, y'all. Night footage. Big dog. Big dog. Right. We're gonna take it easy going back. Little cruising. Little cruising. Alright, we got some company, got some car, got some traffic, got some traffic, got some traffic. That's Kim! That's Kim. I can tell that was Kim. She's driving fast as shit. Slow down, girl. You was in a car wreck not too long ago. I can tell that was her. If that wasn't her, it was somebody else. Maybe she'd have learned her lesson. She wasn't driving in that wreck, but she needs to learn how to slow down. It ain't that serious. Now, who am I telling to slow down? I'm slowing down. I'm slowing down this curve. Yeah. You see, I'm slowing down. Now I'm speeding up. Yeah, get some. Woo. All right. Slow it down. All right, that was a good night ride video footage. Real cool. Hope y'all enjoyed it. And the next video, we're gonna go down to the boat ramp at the river during the day, not at night, and check out some of the stuff at the river.
Footage.
All right, y'all.
My designer 3D
Later.
shirts and more. All right, check it out.
Check out these new designer shirts. And we have women and men products on our Hollywood2000 3D design clothing store. And you can get all these products there after you watch the video. See the cool links in the description for everything we have. Thank you. Y'all, just want to show you my 3 latest designs. Power symbol, summer heat, black dot shirt, new style, greater than most logo shirt. All I got to say is do it while you can and do as much as you can. Yeah. These are my top designs that are selling on Amazon. Just want to show y'all one of my latest shirt design. This is the power symbol right here. The power symbol. Super hot summer shirt. Real cool. The power symbol logo. Yeah, check that out. It's one of my real cool shirts, and I got 2 more shirts I'm going to show you. That's real cool, selling on Amazon. My latest designs. Okay, y'all. This is my other design. The greater than most logo. Yeah. This is selling on Amazon. Get you a close-up. Greater than most. Greater than most logo. The greater than most shirt. Right here. This is my other design. Greater than most. Greater than most. Yeah. Alright. Cool. Alright, y'all, selling on Amazon. You. The black dot shirt, selling on Amazon. See, the black dot. Let's get her here. The black dot shirt. The black dot. New black dot style. The new black dot style. This is a good look for the new black dot style, selling on Amazon. One of my new designs. My top selling designs. Yeah. Black dot. Get your black dot.
Check out all the links in the description for the products we have in this video and more cool stuff. Alright y'all, until the next video, make sure you hit that subscribe button so I can send you information about our other videos.
Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and like this video.